Hey, afternoon, or good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic start to your week. Just wanted to let you know the Constitution or the Civics and the Constitution course are now in stock. The DVD course, this is a DVD-based course, and so most of the lesson is through video instruction. There's over 6 hours. I think there's 15 lectures. Average lectures, 23 minutes apiece. It comes with the Civics and Constitution student book. This book is more, it goes along with the content. I wish I could do a desktop view, but it crashed on me just a few minutes ago. But it goes kind of along with the lectures, so the student can kind of follow along the lecture. But each lecture has a chapter note. Plus there's in the back the Constitution. There's a Constitution. Oh, everything's kind of bright. You can see the Constitution, and there's some articles there in the special reading that the student has. So this goes along with the course. The student follows with the course. Then we have the teacher guide, and the teacher guide has the daily lesson, 5 days a week. This again is a half semester course, so it would be a 90 days, or you could spread it out over the course of a year for a student. But it would only be a half a credit. But you definitely want to follow the schedule because it's using lectures, it's using special readings, it's using different things. So it's going a little bit differently through the course. It's not just, 5 pages, 5 pages, 5 pages. It jumps around a little bit, especially with the DVD. So it's got that. Then it has the student activity sheets. Those aren't done every day. A sample of the lesson would look like this. Let's see. Okay, day 17, read page 42, start lecture 4. Day 18, read chapter 4 notes, pages 42 to 51. Review lecture 4 as needed. Day 19, complete chapter 4 worksheet, 23 to 24. Day 20, complete chapter 4 quiz. And so they they pretty much watch the lecture, read the notes, do the worksheet, do the quiz. Some students could obviously do that all at once if they wanted to, but the student activity sheets are not that intense. They're about a day's one full sheet of material, front and back, that the student would do. And then let's see, there's answer keys, sample, there's quizzes as well, so you can score that. So all three, the DVD, the teacher guide, and the student book are in stock. I got word that almost all of them are shipping today or early this week, so I think there's quite a few of them that are on back order that are being shipped out. So if you've already ordered it, you should be getting notice of that. The course retails for $91.97. The price is $68.05. It's a fantastic price for a DVD-driven civics course. I'm going to link also the video that I did with Jake last week, and I highly encourage you to watch that. I think Jake is something special, and I look forward to having him back on. In fact, I have to respond in an email to him, but he did send an email to me that it'd be kind of fun to actually do kind of a Constitution moment every so often where we talk about a relevant issue that may come up with our families and how it relates to the Constitution, which I think is a fantastic idea. One of the things we want to do in this group is start to provide you with more expert resources that we have. I know my expert opinion is amazing, but we have so many more amazing people that we can draw from that we work with here at the press. And so Jake is certainly one of those. This is great for 9th through 12th grade as a civics course, half credit. I recommend this, as we said in the video, I recommend this for parents. Even if you're starting out in the homeschool journey, it's as you're teaching history, you're talking different things, you see different things happening all the time. We're talking about impeaching a president. Why are we talking about that? What premise do we have for that? I think it'd be great to have Jake on and even talk about that. So we'll be doing more of that in the future, but hey, be sure to check this out. I'll put a link to the product. I'll put a link to the video that we did so you can have more information on it. And tomorrow I have Carrie Lindquist, who is the author of Foundation Phonics, and she's the author of the new Adventures in Creation series. So I may even have a preview, a small, rough preview of what Adventures in Creation series is going to look like, which I think it's exciting. I think you're going to like it. I think you're going to like to hear the heart behind the message. Also, for anyone who doesn't know, Carrie Lindquist is my daughter, and Carrie and her story we're going to share tomorrow is really the reason I'm sitting here today. So I'm excited to share that story with everyone. And she said I could. So, all right. Hey, God bless you guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow.